Class 10th. Subject English. Chapter 2.4 An Epitome of Courage. English Workshop. Question 1. Match the following. Answers: 1. B, 2. C, 3. A, 4. B. Question 2. Complete the following web chart containing the qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. Qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking: courageous, intelligent, optimistic, humble, dedicated, great author. Question 3. Arrange the following statements according to the occurrence in the life history of Dr. Stephen Hawking. Answer: first D, second A, third G, fourth F, fifth E, sixth H, seventh B, eighth C. Question 4. Homographs. Pair of words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meanings in different contexts. A. Couple. Answer: 1. The bowler managed to talk a couple of wickets. 2. The elderly couple was taking a walk in the park. B. Mind. Answer: 1. Exercise is good for the mind, the body, and the soul. 2. Do you mind if I put on the fan? C. Space. Answer: 1. There was no space left in the room to store anything. 2. A man is thinking of space travel. D. Sound. Answer: 1. The loud sound at midnight startled everyone. 2. You will need a person who is of a sound mind. E. Left. Answer: 1. I left my younger brother to home. 2. Varun's left hand is badly injured in an accident. Question 5. Use the following words or phrases in your own sentences. A. Quirk of fate. Answer: but by a quirk of fate, this night he had come home early. B. Confined to. Answer: he is confined to bed by illness. C. Exaggeration. Answer: he told his story simply and without exaggeration. D. An epitome of. Answer: even now in her 60s, she is the epitome of French elegance. E. Millennium. Answer: I believe that man will go to stay on other planets before the next millennium. Question 6. Expand the given themes. A. You fall ill during your final exam. Answer: if I fall ill during my final exam, I'll feel worried in the beginning, but soon I'll collect myself and will face the problem boldly. Determinedly, I'll continue to appear for the remaining exam papers because there will be no reason getting into a panic about the final exam. I already have completed my study and revised it well before the exam. My parents, I'm sure, it will be there to nurse me well and looked after my health, medicines, and my fast recovery. My friends also will help me in my studies. They will comfort me and give me confidence. I feel a little better. I myself will continue my studies for the final exam, so everything will fall into place. B. if I meet a disabled person who needs help? Answer: if I meet a disabled person who needs help, I'll treat him kindly. I shall sympathetically inquire about his difficulties and his requirements. I shall, with the help of my friends, try to provide him with the things he needs. If his needs are beyond our reach, we shall contact the person or the organization who could support him and fulfill his needs and requirements. We shall continue our efforts till he meets all his essential needs and equipment. C. Helping a friend in trouble. Answer: if any of my friends is in trouble, I will immediately visit him and find out the nature of his trouble. I shall try to pacify him if he is really very much affected. I shall console him if his trouble is because of emotional or financial problems. My friends and I will promise him to share his problem if he speaks it up clearly and freely. A trouble shared is a trouble halved. We shall advise him to be patient and tolerate the situation bravely and courageously. We shall try to help and support our friend in every possible way. D. Meeting a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking. Answer: before meeting such a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking, I will have to pre-plan my visit and get permission of the visit from him. I must be ready with the information about his life history, his characteristics, his education, his achievements, and his display of exemplary courage in the face of overwhelming odds. It is difficult to face and get to talk to such a awe-inspiring person, but I know how to handle myself in this situation. I will talk to him boldly and respectfully. I will overcome my fear of meeting such a great man. I will tell him how I am impressed and inspired by his work and achievements. I will get the greatest joy of my life in meeting such a great personality. Question 7. You happen to meet a successful person who is a disabled. Write an imaginary dialogue between you and him or her. You can take support of the hints provided. Me. Hello, Mrs. Tara. How are you? Tara. I'm doing well. How about you? Me. I'm doing very well, thank you. So, tell me, how was the dance show last evening? Tara. The show went very well. I think it was one of my finest performances till date. Me. Wow, now that makes me wish I was there. But I have to tell you, Mrs. Tara, you are one of the best dancers of our time. I don't know anyone else who can perform Bharatnatyam as well as you do. And that too when you have one prosthetic leg. Tara. Oh, stop it. You are embarrassing me. I know there aren't many Bharatnatyam dancers who have a prosthetic leg, but I am hardly one of the best. Me. No, I'm serious. Mrs. Tara, not many people have the courage and determination to do what you have done. I know that after losing your leg, initially it was difficult for you to get around. However, you slowly managed to cope with the problem and now you are back in the industry. Tara. That's true. At first, it was too difficult, but once I decided that I didn't want to be dependent on others for the rest of my life, I found the courage to get back everything that I had lost due to the accident. The first time I put on the prosthetic leg, I didn't think I would get used to it, but now I hardly notice it anymore. Me. I truly admire your strength and enthusiasm. You choose to overcome the problem and you didn't give up. I'm sure that wouldn't have been easy. It's inspiring to see your hard work pay off. You have performed in India and internationally after the accident, and that shows that you have come a long way. So, would you say that you have left the darkness of that incident behind? Tara, yes, I have. It was very important to stop feeling sorry for myself. Self-pity was not going to help me. So I knew I had to leave the incident behind if I wanted to do something in life. And I haven't done something unique. There are people who have disabilities that are worse than mine, but they have a positive attitude towards life. They try to be independent and live their life to the fullest. I took inspiration from such people to get over the pain and the sorrow. Me, well, it was an honor to have met you. I hope that you continue to perform for many more years and that your confidence inspires other people who are going through a similar experiences. Tara, you are being too kind. I certainly intend to perform for as long as I can. I too hope that others who are trying to come to terms with their disability find the motivation and the courage to do so. Me, thank you, Mrs. Tara. Tara, thank you. Question 1. Complete the following word chain of adjectives. A. Cruel. Answer: cruel, late, enthusiastic, casual, lazy. B. Complete the following word chain of nouns. Answer: medicine, eagle, earth, hat, tank. C. Complete the following word chain of verbs. Answer: grow, walk, kick, kill, leave. D. Complete the following word chain anyway. Answer: physics, search, heat, track, kidnap. 2a. Convert the following to exclamatory sentences of the same meaning. A. Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Answer: 1. How humble a man is Dr. Hawking? 2. What a humble man Dr. Hawking is. B. He was very clumsy. Answer: how clumsy was he? C. He was very simple and intelligent. Answer: how simple and intelligent was he? D. Courage is a truly wonderful thing. Answer: 1. How wonderful is courage? 2. What a wonderful thing courage is. B. Convert the following to interrogative, means question form. A. The prognosis was bad. Answer: was the prognosis bad? 2. Stephen decided to continue his research. Answer: did Stephen decide to continue his research? 3. There are many people who display exemplary courage. Answer: there are many people who display exemplary courage. 4. His mind would soar up into space like light. Answer: would his mind soar up into space like light?